Greetings everyone. We begin today with a quick news flash about the US stock market. It's been a rollercoaster ride to say the least. The US economy has experienced 2 consecutive quarters of GDP contraction, indicating a technical recession. However, the National Bureau of Economic Research has not officially declared a recession yet. In the midst of this, the US stock futures saw an uptick following a positive earnings report from Apple. Interestingly, growth stocks are currently cheaper than they have been in years, and Goldman Sachs believes they can withstand aggressive Fed rate hikes. On the flip side, the housing market demand continues to decline, despite falling mortgage rates. Real estate investors are waiting for the right moment to re-enter the market. In other news, Amazon stock surged after reporting progress in the efficiency of its fulfillment network. Also, Canoo's shares surged after the EV maker signed a deal with Walmart for the purchase of delivery vehicles. The US stock futures also showed modest gains as investors awaited inflation data that could put pressure on the Federal Reserve. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics is expected to release consumer price index data for November, with analysts predicting a 6.8% increase compared to the previous year, the largest jump since June 1982. In the midst of all this, we have a warning from a US Treasury official that oil prices could jump to $140 a barrel if Russian crude doesn't get a price cap. This comes as President Joe Biden travels to Saudi Arabia to discuss the global energy crunch and push for increased oil output to alleviate price pressures in the US. Now, let's summarize the main points discussed today. The US economy is showing signs of a technical recession, but this is yet to be officially declared. US stock futures are rising and growth stocks are cheaper than they have been in years. The housing market is experiencing a decline in demand, and Amazon and Canoo stocks are on the rise. Finally, the US is bracing itself for a potential hike in oil prices. That's a wrap for today's US stock market update. Remember, the market is a complex entity, and these trends are just a glimpse into its vast workings. Keep an eye on the developments and make informed decisions. Until next time, stay savvy.